government has very clear intelligence report that from the poor and landless family, certain people has collected 28 lakhs rupees during last 3 months, saying that we are going to convince government and there will be no eviction. We have those names. Now, when they could not resist the eviction drive, they mobilized those people and created the havoc on that particular day. We have name of 6 people with clear intelligence that 28 lakhs was created. Apart from that, prior to the day of incident, in the name of carrying food articles to the evicted family, PFI visited the site. So various evidence are now emerging implicating certain people, including I think one lecturer from one college of Assam. So all these things are emerging. Government is inquiring the matter into details because eviction was done against 60 family. Where from this 10,000 family has come?
Mr. Chief Minister,
so this is what finding as of now, and I think once judicial inquiry starts, we will have lot more explosive information.
Mr. Chief Minister, during the anti-CA protest as well, the government had found some PFI link, and in that investigation, nothing more was done in terms of this organization.
You see, on the point of CA investigation, PFI state president was arrested, and investigation has been done thoroughly. The PFI state president was arrested for 3 months. Thereafter, court has given him bail. So, Government of Assam has already sent dossier to Government of India seeking total ban on PFI. So, from whatever Government of Assam we need to do against PFI, we are doing.
From the Assam land use policy, there is a provision in terms of compensation. You had a series of meetings. Then, what really transpired in those meetings, and why the?
I have called all Assam Minority Students Union in my office chamber 2 times. Thereafter, I have sent them to DC Dorong office. Then both district administration and all Assam Minority Students Union went for a joint visit. My point was very specific to them. If these people are landless, we are going to give you 2 acres of land. Only thing that they do not have to possess land in any other part of the state. But there is a point. Most of these people has land. They are not landless the way it is sought to be projected in the national media. They have come from the various localities. They have come there for cultivation. But they have their land in their ancestral village. From Dolgaon, from Bagbor, they have come and they started residing in that place of that parcel of land because it is very good for the cultivation. So they have not come up to me with the list of landless people. That is the whole reason. And eviction was done as per their consent. I told them that there will be eviction, please ensure that there is no resistance. They said, Dada, there will be no resistance. Same thing I have explained to Congress Legislature Party when they came to meet me. They also agreed that yes, for the first time, government has taken a stand to settle landless people, although their nationality and etc. question is not being raised. They appreciated with me. They appreciated me. Thereafter, they created this mayhem.
In the SS Brahma committee report also earlier, in the SS Brahma committee report also, this particular area was specifically mentioned.
So in this area, there was an effort for evicting these people going on since 1983. In 1983 also, some miscreant out of these people has killed 7 or 8 people out there. Then thereafter also series of murder has happened in that area. Of the local Assamese people has been murdered in that area almost in a intervening gap of 2 to 3 years. So various presence of criminal activities are present there. So my request to the national media, please hear the side of Assam's also. You cannot take side, so-called national media, left liberal media. You cannot take side of certain people without going into the detail. One aberration, we have inquired. We have ordered CID inquiry. But that doesn't mean that people will not inquire, people will not investigate who has mobilized these 10,000 people even after a clear agreement with the organization that eviction will happen peacefully.
From the videos, it is evident that police was also attacked upon, and then police retaliated, as the police says. But one specific video which went viral, it is seen that there is only one person and there is a full police force. Who are trained
But you have to see the total video. Before the incident, that particular person, according to the video, has attacked that guy with ballam. Then he did it retaliation. We do not justify. But you have to, if at all you have to give publicity, give the entire sequence.
But isn't it police's job to keep these people away?
No, but at that point of time when police is under firing, police is under attack. So at what point how police has behaved? Can we do it on a air-conditioned room analyze today? So there was a situation against 27 people, 10,000 people has gherowed them. So how they will behave, what the way they will behave, you cannot say right from Guwahati. You have to take examination, you have to examine every police officers. And out of these police people, there are several Muslim police personnel are there. So you have to inquire. I know specifically that 2 or 3 police personnel out of 27 are Muslim themselves.
Among injured as well.
Yeah, and they are now in hospital. So it was not a communal color. Why you are giving communal color?
Sir, the lobby is very much active, trying to
Look, Assam government cannot be cowed down. In very, very clear message, we have order from Guwahati High Court in many occasions to evict people from forest. And we are ready to help poor and landless. But you cannot acquire 100 acres, 30 acres, 40 acres of forest land and land belonging to the indigenous population of Assam. You cannot do that. I welcome them. Give me the list. I will give the all landless people land. But why you have to encroach? What is the provocation of encroaching government land? Why you are trying to change the population pattern of every constituencies of Assam? These are wrong things. And there was a 10,000 people has gherowed 27 police personnel. So how they have behaved, what under instigation they have behaved. So you should publish all the video. Why taken out one video and creating a situation that is a genocide and all these words are being used? So who is interested in doing genocide? I offered 2 acres of land. Also I offered a Pakka house that I will give a PMY house also. So I did my job. They should not have attacked police on that day. And there I am happy that and thanking God that there is no more, there is killing only to a limited impact. There could have been hundreds of people who would have died on that day. Hundreds of people who could have died from both sides.
So do you think there are encroachment in new areas?
It is going on like they are expanding. One after one. Wherever they see vacant land, they come and they occupy. What is this tactics here? You have your land, you have everything. They said that we have been erosion. So where is the erosion certificate? Where is the erosion? Which place? If State Disaster Management Authority has then notified there was a erosion, you have taken these 2 names like a mantra, flood and erosion. And now you go from Borpeta, you come 300 kilometers to in a different location saying that we are flood affected. So we came and we occupy government land here. So how long we can be silent?
Sir,
I would like to invite every people from India, come and see the area. Can landless people occupy 30 acres of land, 40 acres of land individually? Now some people are saying that there was no temple. We have constructed the temple. The hill itself is a cave. It was old as our Assamese civilization. I am very astonished to see that some of the media has said there was no temple we constructed only in 1980. That entire hill is a temple, like Ajanta, Ellora, these are cave. It should have been protected by archaeology. So how can you allow all these things? Yes, that incident I have also condemned. I arrested the person. But you cannot justify that one police done one wrong thing and you will justify entire illegal encroachment. How can that be happen? So I am requesting with folded hand, do not take on police. Come to me. If you are landless, I will going to give you land. Why you fight with police? Why you come with Dao, Jati? This is not the way. Police is also yours. Some of yours have only job in police. What is this? And I will request all the so-called left liberal people that you speak also for Assamese people. You do not speak only for one section of people. Try to feel our pain also. We are getting outnumbered every day. We are losing one after one seat. See our pain also. It is not one-way traffic. Assamese people are not mad. We have been, Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev has taught us how to tolerate people, how to respect each other. You cannot do that every time. And particularly, I like to give a strong message to left and liberal, that this government will not be cowed down. We will stand with poor and downtrodden, but we will not stand with you. We will not allow you to have your agenda in Assam.